Hello, my name is Ángela María Molina Prado. I am studying Master in Pedagogy, and this is my research project. The title is Juana Moscomenio and the relationship between inclusion and diversity. I have one general objective, and it is to identify Juana Moscomenio contributions in relation to inclusion and diversity. And I have two specific objectives. They are to contribute to knowledge from Juana Moscomenio pedagogical basis and to establish the relationship between inclusion, diversity, and Juana Moscomenio. The investigation question is: what is the relationship among comenios, inclusion, and diversity? Is it a current scenario? My research problem it's focused on inclusive diversity. Inclusive education is an international and national policy in which each country has made its adaptations to its internal guidelines for education. However, it has limitations to carry it out in the educational scenario. The limitations that can be mentioned are plans and programs which need to be adapted. The practices and attitudes of some teachers promote exclusion, lack of knowledge, training, and experience of the teachers as well. All these make students with diverse abilities to be stigmatized as difficult. The methodology. It was developed through the bibliography scan of Juana Moscomenio and the correlation between inclusion and diversity. For this, the search is carried out in databases such as Google Scholar, Latindex, Redalyc, Pedagogy in Education magazine. This inquiry contains inclusion and diversity categories. Articles on inclusion and diversity are analyzed as well. The literature review. I have different authors in which we can find Dusan, Belan, Dejaro Rodriguez, and Frutos, A.E., Correa, J. Sierra, and Alzate. And finally, I have Juana Moscomenio. Each of them have different findings and categories, but I focused on Juana Moscomenio because he promotes the diversity. He is the father of pedagogy, education for all, promotes the school as workshops for humanity, inclusive teaching, methodology, everyone equally, inclusion, diversity, and inclusive education. The bibliographic references are Dusan, Abelan, Correa, and Peña. So this is my research project. Thank you very much. Goodbye.